A says, ah, ah, ah. A for ant. Tiny ant walks fast. B says, b, b, b. B for bat. Hit the ball. C says, k, k, k. C for cat. Meow, meow, meow. D says, da, da, da. D for drum. Drum goes boom, boom. E says, eh, eh, eh. E for elephant. Big elephant walks slowly. F says, F for fish. Fish swims quietly. G says, g, g, g. G for goat. Goat says, meh, meh. H says, ha, ha, ha. H for hat. Wear your funny hat. I says, eh, eh, eh. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. J says, j, j, j. J for joker. Joker makes us laugh. K says, k, k, k. K for kiwi. Kiwi is tasty. L says, l, l, l. L for lion. Roar. M says, M for monkey. Monkey loves bananas. N says, n, n, n. N for nest. Baby birds sleep here. O says, O, O, O. O for orange. Orange is juicy. P says, P, P, P. P for parrot. Squawk, squawk. Q says, Q, Q, Q. Q for queen. The queen waves hello. R says, R, R, R. R for rose. Rose smells nice. S says, S, S, S. S for sun. Sunshine is bright. T says, T, T, T. T for tiger. Roar. U says, U for umbrella. Splash in the rain. V says, V, V, V. V for van. Van goes zoom. W says, W, W, W. W for watermelon. Big, juicy watermelon. X says, X, X, X. X for xylophone. Ting, ting, ting. Y says, Y, Y, Y. Y for yoga. Stretch and relax. Z says, Z, Z, Z. Z for zebra. Zebra loves to run.
To practice all the phonics letters and rules, download the English Learning app. It's free on the Apple App Store and Google Play.